Okay. Good morning. Happy Halloweener. Happy Halloween, you guys. Today's gonna be a fun day. I want to show you guys some of the native and non-native plants that we have growing around here that are really good for dyeing with. So Sierra and I are gonna go on a little adventure foraging, and then we're gonna come back here and start some dye vats, and I'll show you how to do that. And then I will also show you how to do some different rubber banding tie-dyeing techniques. Then we'll put our stuff in the dye vats to soak. I usually like to let things soak at least a day or two, so, and then I will show you the final results by the end of this video. We might also do a little Halloween dressing up. Alaska's Halloween costume is very funny. I need everyone to see it. I put a lot of effort into it. Yeah. Yeah, Alaska. I'm gonna get my day started. Hi. Ooh. 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 Sorry. Are you judging?
She's fucking judging.
Wow, rude.
Toys. Do you want music or no music?
Oh, we'll be playing music.
Ooh, this camera makes people look
Yeah,
that's kind of the point.
Extra. Okay, here we go.
I'll get home before daylight. Let's not get some sleep tonight.
Hi, Julie.
You like Jerry? We love Uncle Jerry.
Okay, so we're looking for eucalyptus, toy on. Wait, what if we get a nice, we should get a little tan-a-rooney today. Please God, I'm getting pasty and dry and gross. Where are you, my little cactus?
Going in the trenches. Skirt, motherfuckers, found it.
Is this stupid?
Where is it?
It's back. It's right back there.
Weird safety's on.
Is it weird to back up?
Just put your
I can't back
safety's
up
on not right now. Because there's just trucks. But when there's no one, you can back up.
Is there ever going to be no one? If I just do it really slow, no one will notice.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, will you move back to look in the mirror? Yeah, and I think I do see cochineal on it. Fucking awesome!
On like the prickly pear?
It's on the cactus. See all those little white specks on the cactus petals?
Wow, that's wild. That's cochineal? What, did you just scrape it off?
Yeah. There she is.
There's the hot mama.
You know, oh, I should have brought fucking gloves.
No better majestic spot, baby, to find some cochineal. If you just take the full paddle, then we can replant it later. Ooh. Majestic highway finds.
Dude. What if I like fell into it?
Probably wouldn't be ideal. Do you have a cloth you can grab it with? Even just like use the bathing suit top or something. Like,
I'm gonna get something maybe a little thicker
than my teeny tiny bikini top.
Maybe if I use her diaper. Will be
for a new diaper campaign. Woo!
Nice. So that's the cochineal dye on her diaper.
Thank you, tree. We appreciate you. That's good. That's good. Ooh. Baby, that's a lie. We love a play suit. Hey, toy on. Toy on. Toy on. Flip and reverse it. Wait. Are you sure?
No, that's not toy on.
Psych.
Damn. Come to me, toy on.
Toy on.
Come to me. Found it. Dicey parking spot. Again. Okay. This is what Toyon looks like. Very plentiful.
Thanks, Toyon.
Thank you, Toyon.
Thank you for letting us harvest you.
Oh my god. Have you ever had these?
Okay, first of all,
Ew.
the woman who made this, she's first of all like a millionaire now. This quote, she goes,
Ew,
she said, I am not a feminist because I love men. Direct quote, it's on Wikipedia.
Wow.
But
Your butt looks really good right now.
love. Thank you, blessings.
Cutting the pieces of Toyon and eucalyptus into like, you know, like this long. So you just, yeah, just like that. So we're gonna add a second batch of Toyon to this that I've already been soaking for
That's so beautiful.
several days. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, no. It's a little spicy out here.
Okay, let that come to a simmer. That's eucalyptus. I'm gonna add to what's already in there. Jeez.
A Halloween witch stirring her cauldrons. Lasky chillin'. Big chillin' girl.
Okay. Yeah, the butter knife works pretty well.
Oh, wild.
Into here. See, it's all sticky. There it is.
That's the inside. So sticky.
It is really sticky, but I'm just gonna boil this down.
Thank you for giving us your beautiful color.
This is our little cochineal harvest.
Yes, are you getting so excited from your girls' day? Whatever, rubber banded in forever.
For this first pattern, we'll be making multiple rings around this silk bandana. This requires an accordion type fold. Fold the bandana in half, then pull the top layer back onto itself and the bottom layer under itself. Then, working your way down the center, pinch all layers of the fabric and wrap your rubber band around it until it's tight. Try to create the same amount of space between each ring. For this design, we'll be making diagonal stripes. Lay your shirt flat, and then starting from the corners, secure the shirt with rubber bands, placing a rubber band every few inches, depending on how many stripes you want on your shirt. Here we'll be making a perfect center bullseye. To find the center of this silk scarf, I will fold it into a square and then pinch the fabric from the middle. Pull the pinched fabric up to a point and wrap the rubber bands around the cone of fabric, starting about an inch below the point of the cone. You can add as many or as few rubber bands as you want. To make the pattern I use in most of my clothing, pinch the top layer at any point on the shirt, work your way down, and with each rubber band twist, pull some of the fabric through. Keep wrapping until you have no more slack in the band. Continue to do this all around the shirt until all of it is rubber banded. Okay, let's start. Ooh, eucalyptus? Let's do eucalyptus.
Yes. Just stirring in there.
Let that soak
It smells
in there.
incredible.
It smells so good.
It's
Okay, you guys, have fun in there.
Enjoy. When are y'all gonna get to sleep on that?
Oof.
Oh.
Hot dog. In here, it's already starting to die. I'll check on you in the morning. Good night. Have a good time.
Enjoy.
Have a nice bath. Ooh, let's do the cochineal.
Yes.
Two.
It's already getting so pink.
Pretty.
Let it simmer.
And two. And then, oh, gorge. I think I'm actually just gonna put this last silk in there too. That is
Yeah, let it rip.
So beautiful. Really. Gorge. Okay.
Beautiful. We love
Are you ready to get in your
Halloween time. Time to get spooky. Woo! Who's a biker girl in a biker world? Wow! The Harley girl.
I'm not perfect. But I'm a limited edition.
Yeah, you are. Yeah! Tats.
Alaska, stop moving.
Laskaloo. Yes. Oh, I'm weeping. Yeah.
Oh my
Da-na-na-na.
god. I'm all
I feel like I need to put on some. My god.
Which tattoos should we put on her? Definitely, I think there's a mom one in here.
The mom. Dana.
Yes! Where? Just
First, baby's first tattoo.
this is a big deal, Alaska.
Just breathe through it, girl. Almost done.
Almost done.
Yeah, hold a hand. It makes it better. Yeah,
Yeah.
hold a hand. That helps with the pain.
Yeah.
You're a champ. First tattoo in the books. Okay. Pull it, Mom. Let's see. Yee-hoo! Ripping.
Ooh.
Na na na. She's on the highway to hell. What?
This is gonna be so weird.
Sipped on a couple too much bottles. Too much milkies for your girl. Feel a little loose. Yep. Might need Judy to give me a little ride home. Yeah.
Hammered.
Trashed.
Trash. Okay guys, it is the next day. We're gonna go check and see how the things that Sierra and I dyed and put in the vats yesterday turned out. Alright, let's check it out. A little tired today. Alaska kept me up. She wasn't even crying last night. She was just laughing. Laughing all night long and then sleep talking. Okay. This is the cochineal. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my god. Is this my toy on? Yes. Oh my god. Oh, I love this color. This is the little tube top. Cute. And then in the eucalyptus, kind of the same color. I'd say a little bit orangier, but I'm going to take the rubber bands off, I think.
Mokou, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona, ni moye ko baby, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona.
Mokou, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona, ni moye ko baby, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona.
Ko Mokou ni soningoro ko juruba, ni moye ko baby, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona.
Mokou, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona, ni moye ko baby, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona.
Ko Mokou ni soningoro ko ni sirana, ni moye ko baby, soningoro Visa Jona.
Mokou, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona, ni moye ko baby, soningoro Mokou, Visa Jona.
Emana sube kekele na mirila, kasoma dabe kekele na kafila.
Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure. Creepy spider on me. Get off! And message me if you have any questions about how we dyed anything. These items that we dyed will be listed on my website for sale. Subscribe to my channel if you will. Let me know if you'd be interested in coming here for a dye workshop. I'm kind of thinking that that would be a fun thing to start up, maybe in the springtime when I have some more flowers to pick from. Maybe some kids workshops, adult workshops. Yeah, till next time. Mahalo.
Ko be du soni ngoro Mokou te Visa Jona.
Mokou,